A major source of income for many influencers, content creators, and YouTubers like myself is affiliate marketing and the use of referral codes. In this video, I'll be listing out 7 different Nigerian brands that you can earn money from just by sharing their referral codes and how much each of them pay. Hi guys, my name is Tito. I make videos on personal finance and investing, and you are welcome to this video. Now, for many of you watching, at one point or the other, you would have signed up on an app or some kind of an online service, and you would have seen a space where you're meant to fill in a referral code. Now, what happens when you fill in that space with someone's referral code is that that person gets some kind of a cash reward or a discount or basically something with monetary value, and typically so do you as well. And the idea is to incentivize or to give you a monetary reason to sign up and use that service or that brand, and also to spread the gospel of that brand or that service with your friends, family, and even strangers so that they use it as well and so that everyone can smile to the bank. That's basically how affiliate marketing and the use of referral codes work. And a lot of people make money from this regardless of how many followers they have. Although it does make sense that the more followers you have, the more people you could potentially reach and the more money you could potentially make with affiliate marketing. Now guys, before I list out the Nigerian brands, please do me a favor and like this video by clicking on the like button. Hit it one time, make it turn blue, and so that the subscribe button doesn't feel left out, show that some PDA as well by clicking on that too. That rhymed. If you've done both those things, thank you so much. Now let's talk about how you can earn some extra money through referral codes. Number 1, Piggyvest. The first and probably the most popular brand in the personal finance space that pays people through referral codes is Piggyvest. Now, when you create your own Piggyvest account, you automatically get a referral code. And if you share that referral code with other people, when they use it to create their own account, both you and them get 1,000 Naira each. Pretty cool, pretty straightforward. But the only condition is they must also fund their Piggyvest wallet with some money of their own. Until then, that 1,000 Naira referral bonus will be held in a separate wallet for a specific number of days where you can't touch it. Number 2, Trove. On the stock trading app Trove, when someone uses your referral code to register, both you and them will get one free stock in either GT Bank or Dangote Sugar, valued at around 22 Naira or 12 Naira respectively. So the more people who use your referral code to register on Trove, the more stocks you get. Stocks that you could either leave to grow for years or that you could sell almost immediately. Number 3, risevest. risevest, or Rise for short, is a dollar-based portfolio investing app that's a bit popular in this space. Now, up until a few months ago, if someone used your referral code to register on Rise, both you and them would get $5 in your Rise wallet. But after a few shady characters tried to abuse the system and were inviting themselves to earn money from both ends, Rise shut that down and created the affiliate program, which has its own set of requirements, which include, first of all, you need to apply to join the affiliate program, and acceptance of your application is not automatic. Secondly, your status on the Rise app needs to be complete, your user status up until the BVN level. Third, you need to be invested in one of Rise's investment plans up to the tune of at least $50. And then finally, you need to be knowledgeable about some of Rise's products. And once these requirements are met and you're accepted on the affiliate program, you'll be able to earn 3% of every deposit that someone who uses your referral code makes into their own Rise wallet. You'll be able to receive 3% of their deposits for a year. Now, another kind of stringent condition is that you can't access your referral bonuses for a period of time. Now, these conditions seem a bit stringent, but to be honest, it's to discourage scammers, and you can also see it as storing away money for yourself in the future. Number 4, Cowrywise. Cowrywise is another popular investing app that pays both you and anyone who successfully registers with your referral code 250 Naira. Your referral earnings are paid into your stash every quarter, and Cowrywise even has different levels for its referral program. If you apply and are accepted to get on the campus ambassador level, then you earn 350 Naira for everyone who successfully registers with your referral code. If you apply and are accepted to be a corporate ambassador on Cowrywise, you earn 500 Naira for everyone who successfully registers with your referral code. However, regardless of what level you are at, everyone who uses your referral code to register, they get only 250 Naira. Number 5, Go Money. On the digital banking app Go Money, if someone registers using your referral code, you get 300 Naira and they get 200 Naira. You just have to be a tier 2 Go Money user by verifying your account details with your BVN details. Once that happens, every time someone who registered using your referral code makes a transaction to the tune of at least 2,000 Naira, and so far their own account is on the tier 3 level, you receive 300 Naira and they receive 200 Naira. So in summary, the conditions are they need to have registered using your referral code, then they need to be on at least a tier 3 level, while you need to at least be on a tier 2 level on the app, and then they need to spend at least 2,000 Naira. Once all these 3 things happen, you receive 300 Naira and they receive 200 Naira as referral bonuses. Number 6, Thrive Agri. Now, the first of 2 AGRI-TECH platforms on my list is Thrive Agri. If someone uses your referral code to register on Thrive Agri, you get 3% of however much they invest on the platform. And the referral bonus is capped at 2,000 Naira, which means that if someone who uses your referral code to register on the site actually invests in something on the site, if 3% of their investment is more than 2,000 Naira, Thrive Agri will only give you 2,000 Naira as your referral bonus. They don't go above that. And another thing is that whatever you are paid as a referral bonus by Thrive Agri goes into your Thrive Agri wallet, and you cannot withdraw it as cash. You can only use it to invest in something on the Thrive Agri platform. Number 7, Agro partnerships. The last on my list, and I think the one that I've benefited from the most, is Agro partnerships. And when somebody registers on Agro partnerships using your referral code, you get 2.5% of the value of their first investment on the platform, which can actually turn out to be a bit of a good sum when you consider how much investments actually are on the Agro partnerships platform. And unlike with Thrive Agri, there's no cap on how much you can receive as your referral bonus. But like Thrive Agri, you cannot take your referral bonus out as cash. You can only use it to invest in something on the Agro partnerships platform. So there you have it, guys. 7 platforms that you can earn money from just by sharing your referral code and having people register and transact with it. And this is a really good passive income source, especially if you have a bit of a sizable following on social media or if you're an influencer. And this exists across different fields like electronics, lifestyle, and beauty. So you don't need to feel like you have to be limited to the ones that I've mentioned in this video. If you enjoyed this video, I really hope that you did. Please be a rock star and click on the like button just underneath the video, especially if you didn't do so earlier. And if personal finance and investing videos are your cup of tea, then click on the subscribe button as well, because that's what I'm all about on this channel. Well, most of the time anyway. And so that the holy trinity of YouTube engagement is complete, be sure to use the share feature underneath the video to share this video with someone who you think could stand to make a lot of money if they were to get into the whole affiliate marketing and referral codes thing. You can copy the link of this video and share it with them on Telegram or WhatsApp. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it, and I'll see you on Wednesday in my next video. Take care.